So we're going to apply it all throughout the bottom and base of the tub right here, and you can see where the water collects. Going to spray all along the tub. Hey everyone, today in this video, we're going to be checking out the Wet and Forget shower. If you're interested in this product, you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. You can see how it comes packaged right here in a plastic bag. Now let's go ahead and open it up. Here are all the contents. You can see we have our 2 quarts, 1.89 liters of Wet and Forget shower, our weekly shower cleaner, with the soft vanilla essence for our scent. No scrubbing, spray today, rinse tomorrow, no bleach or harsh fumes. You can see the spray nozzle that we have that will get installed right up there at the top. And then you can see on the back side we have additional information walking you through how it cleans and prevents, directions for use, mold and mildew stains, hard water and mineral deposits, the active ingredients, and first aid information. Now let's go ahead, let's get it set up. Step 1 was to remove this cap right here. You can see just 2 little stickers on it to reveal the top surface right here, where we just go ahead and press that into place. And then we have extra cord tucked in here, the unit. You could just pull it out like so. And now you just twist the nozzle up at the top to the spray that you want. You can see the tub and how we're going to be cleaning it right here. So let's go ahead, let's spray this down and come back in a day. So we're going to apply it all throughout the bottom and base of the tub right here, and you can see where the water collects. Going to spray all along the tub. Sprayer's really nice. It's doing a great job right here. Really easy to do. I'd say the volume's pretty nice as well. We'll find out in 24 hours if we're going to need another coat. You can see the tub's really filthy. We'll even spray up here some too. All around. And there we go. We just applied our Wet and Forget. Everything's tucked away for some nice and easy storage. Now let's wait and come back and see the results. All right, so here's a look at it a day later. I rinsed the tub. I did not scrub or anything else. It has made a pretty nice difference. Now I want to point out, when I was just rinsing it, you can see a ton of this all just rinsed down on its own. Again, no scrubbing at all, but you can see we still have some work to do. Went back to the bottle too. Technically, it's best to do this right after you shower when the tub's already damp and wet. So since I just rinsed the tub out, we're going to apply another application and come back in around 8 hours and see if it continues to make a difference with our tub and how it looks. So here's a look at the tub after our second application. You can see there's still some problem areas, so we're definitely gonna have to scrub. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna apply one more application, and when we're rinsing that one down, we're also gonna be scrubbing it here with our Scrub Daddy, and we'll see the results. But this definitely works. It's way better. Obviously, it's not perfect. Once you get your tub nice and clean and you continue to apply this, I can tell you're gonna have a really nice clean tub for a long time. So check it out, scrubbing did the trick. It looks so nice right here. Just using our Scrub Daddy, a light sponge, just moving it around over all the grime, and you can see the tub looks as good as new. And what I like is there's no chemical smell or anything like that while you are cleaning. And maybe you can see this line right here? I thought this was fun. So I used the sponge on this side, just making 2 passes. And on this side right here, you can see we didn't clean that yet. So you can get an idea of the before and after right there. So check out that dividing line. Really makes a pretty substantial difference. This looks brand new again. And this is coated with a lot of, you know, just grime and buildup from hair care products, shampoo, conditioner, things like that. But you can get an idea right there how it looks. And then obviously the base of the tub has been cleaned. Really, really impressed and highly recommend.